All right, you guys, so I'm going to go through the charts real quick, and I recorded this earlier, made a little small mistake, now I got to go back through the whole thing. That's crazy. But anyway, listen, just a little quick tip for you guys. When you are trading, this week coming up, why don't you just do one trade at a time, just one trade at a time. You're going to find that you're going to be a lot more accurate with your trades, because now you're going to say, you know what, if I can only take one trade, what will be the actual best one I can find? And it'll be far less stressful because you're not watching 20, 30, 40 pairs, that doesn't have qualifications that meet your standards. You're going to look for the one that does. Okay. And let me show you some examples of what I mean. That's what I did this week. As far as the copycat group, let me tell you what we did. We had an amazing week, on that. Let me show you this. So we had 11 winners and only 2 losses. And, for the year, we're up 154 wins and 20 losses. So some of these winners that I contributed along with the team, let me tell you what I did. I actually followed my advice that I'm telling you, and I only dealt with the ones that literally showed me exactly what I was looking for. So as I go through this, you're going to see that I'm just going to skip through a lot of pairs because they're not a good fit. All right, so the NZD had some fire rocket news that came out, so it forced all the other pairs that went against the NZD to shoot up, and you can see it broke out, but this is probably going to come back in later on this week. But either way it goes, it wasn't what I was looking for, so I didn't trade it. This one didn't show me anything. I didn't see anything, except for this one was nice. It did show that double top off the railings. Let me go to my sexy by itself and you'll see it. You can see very clearly, boom, 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 nice bounce, very, very nice, okay? But again, when it comes to reversals, I don't trust the CHF, the Swiss CHF. I don't really trust it, so I didn't trade that one, okay? Now, let's go to the next one. This is AJ, and by the way, this is the sexy analyst. If you want the sexy analyst with the simplicity, which I combine them two together, because I get my simplicity zones, like up here, see when price action hit these zones, man, that's powerful, okay? But if you just want to trade the, support and resistance levels, supply and demand zones, then just get the sexy. And you can see this was creating a lower lows. So when it came up here, it did withdraw. I suspect it'll probably come back up and retest this level and then possibly drop. It may catch my attention. We'll see how that goes. But either way it goes, nothing for now. All right, same thing here. Nothing. Nothing. Now, this one is just doing sideways stuff, a whole bunch of sideways jibber jabber. Okay, see, going all the way back. So nothing, not interested. It's like a dating app, Look at that NZD. So I told you it shot all of them up. All of them went up. Okay, but nothing for me. Okay, no, I'm not interested. See, all these I'm not interested. This one I knew. Let me go here to the so you can see this. So this one I knew was going to come down. I knew it. It came up, retested this level, created lower lows. Here's a low, lower low, lower low. Came back and retested, hit the channels. I knew that was going to be going lower, and it did. But again, it's not my favorite, so I didn't trade it. See, if I don't like it, I ain't doing it. Okay, nothing there for me, for my trading style. See, bottle rockets, GBP, NZD, shot up, but that's nothing that I'm going to chase. Okay, and by the way, let me tell you guys something. Let me go to one of these. Let me see. All right, here's what I want to tell you guys. Never chase these. This is the biggest lesson I'm learning. Don't chase these things when they're shooting up because of big news. Like, for an example, you say, oh, man, look at this big candle. You try to jump in on at the top of this candle thinking that's it. And then it shows a little flashback, a little pullback, and then it shoots up further. And then it drops and shoots up further. And there you go, blowing your account trying to chase these. For an example, look at this. It shot up a little bit more. You're thinking, okay, maybe it's done now. It should be exhausted. And it shoots up further. Then you think it's done. And then look, oh, here's a red candle. Let me jump in. And guess what? And then it shoots up further. Don't chase these. Wait at least 12 to 24 hours before you even look at them. Other than that, keep it moving, okay? All right, let's look at some more. GA, nothing. Okay, GA, I did, I think on this one, yes. I did a bounce play on this one for the copycat group. This is one of the winners that we did. So I knew as soon as it hit my channels, higher high. Look at it, here's a high. Here's a higher high, and it bounced. So I made some good money off of that one for the copycat group. Okay, but other than that, see, these things are just nothing. Okay, that one, it did create a double top. But again, I'm not a fan of reversal trades on the G Swiss. If you did in the group, y'all know you make good money. All right, and GU, That was nothing there. Dr. Elvis played this to the downside, and he was correct on that one. And also this big play here that for the copycat group, we ate good. I told you guys, look, here's what we did. We had 11 winners and only 2 losses last week. And these 2 losses was actually carryovers from the prior week when the feds came out talking about raising interest rates and it made the market shoot crazy. If it wasn't for that carryover, we actually would have been 11-0 for this week, which means 11 winners and no losses. But when news events come out, there's just really nothing you can do about that. So that was the only 2 losses. And he made a good recovery on those 2 losses from last week by playing them this week, and he played the USD pairs very well. Miss Jenny did some nice plays on. She did a nice play on EJ Euro JPY, and also on. She played the G Swiss pair, and she got a nice sale on that one. So that G Swiss that I was telling you about, she played it and closed it out for the copycat group. So overall, like I said, man, I just really like my team. I like my trading team. We're doing a really, really good job for our family, for the CC family. Meow, meow, copycat. All right, and this one went to the downside. All the NZD pairs drop, and this is what I mean. When news comes out on from a country and they make an announcement, there's really nothing you can do. Okay, nothing. It's out of your control. Okay. Nothing you can do. Nothing there, except for one of the team members did take a buy trade on USD JPY, and it was a great winner for the copycat. Meow, meow. Okay. And then there was nothing there, nothing there. Okay. Okay, now I'm quickly switching over to this one because, again, guys, I got to head out the door. This is the Ocean Wave, my favorite. Now, with this, you can see, look at that. You could have just held this trade forever. Forever. Okay, this is the benefit of Ocean Wave. When you catch the ones with the great trending patterns, look at this. Ooh, I might tap that one next week if this thing continues. I hope it does a pullback to the main wave and then a drop. The Ocean Wave is a beast of a system, I'm not going to lie. And I only want to use this system at the beginning of the week. I don't look at the reversal system. This system I use midweek for midweek reversals, and this system I use at the beginning of the week, Sunday, Mondays, and Tuesdays for trend trading. Okay, 2 different systems because the market does 2 different behavioral patterns. Okay, look at that beast. Ooh, Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy, Jesus. Okay, but see, towards the end of the week, see how I reverse? See, trend, midweek, what? Reversal. So that's why I don't use it at the middle of the week, just at the beginning. See, look at that. Okay, and then boom, midweek, it reversed back up. But look, this system called it early and told you, look at this. It said way back here, get in, get in, get in. It's about to go, it's about to go. And you just had to wait. And then boom, a massive explosion to the upside, and that was about 135 pips that you missed out on. Look at this right here. Everything told you buy. Okay. So either way it goes, like I said, I trade 2 different ways, but if you can find some pairs that are good at trending, get on them. Ocean Wave is the monster. It's a monster of a system. I'm not gonna lie. One of the best ones we ever created. Okay. When it does these little jigglies, ooh, I like that. I like that. Okay, I gotta wait for things to set up next week, but we'll see. But when you see a jiggly like this, see, chop, I just move on past. Don't force it. Okay, if it ain't giving you what you want, keep it moving. Okay, look at that. Ooh, that Ocean Wave called that big move, that GM move. See that big move? Look who called it. Ooh, look at that. So I'm not telling you can't use it. I mean, you can, but like we got one member in our family, that's all they do, and they're just beasting out. They're going crazy. Okay, but if you're going to use it, just always check just to make sure that it's not in a reversal setup, because you don't want to be in another pair. See, for an example, this is one. See, it was going good, and then this drop. Well, if we go over here, you'll see that you had to double check over here, and you've seen that it created the double top, and that's why it dropped. So if you're going to use it for midweek, make sure that you keep your eye, get the sexy analyst, so at least you can check to see, hey, is it getting too close to a double top or a double bottom for a reversal? If not, then go ahead and hang on to it. Okay, GU, look at that. GU, see, it told you, keep on going. keep on going down. Okay, and it did. NU caught that before the major drop. Ooh, ocean wave, ocean wave. Okay, look at that. Ocean wave, ocean wave. Look at that. It called it way beforehand. Like a prophet. It just predicted this thing was going to happen, and it surely did. So I said, y'all, this is the best one we did. Best one. Okay. All right. And that was that. That was not to the upside, and all of the dollar started recovering from its losses from last week. And this is gold. Oh, gold is looking a little soft right here. If we go to the 15-minute, ooh, got to wait for things to line up. So anyway, guys, that's a wrap for the videos. I will see you in the next one, and enjoy your weekend.